With holidays just around the corner, maybe you're like me and have a lot on your mind. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams. And if you are hosting or have in-laws visiting or kids doing crafting, make sure that your home survives the madness. So whether your plans are to be cozy or crazy, you can survive this holiday while hosting family and guests. And here are 6 tips to help. First, declutter and donate to make space for guests and the coming onslaught of gifts. Second, keep tried and true appetizer ingredients and possibly bottles of wine on hand, perfect for those last-minute gifts or impromptu gatherings. Third, stock up on paper towels and toilet paper, a must and totally no-brainer to simplify cleanups. Fourth, splurge on fancy disposable plates, cups, silverware for less time in the kitchen. Fifth, wash or replace guest room linens, picking up extra toiletries, old pillowcases swapped out for new, and you'll feel more confident when your guests arrive that they are all nestled in and snug in their beds. And sixth, take care of yourself. Gift yourself with a quiet walk or hit up your favorite coffee shop solo when you need a break and some fresh air. Now, what's your #1 holiday hosting tip? I look forward to seeing those in the comments below. Cheers, Kansas City, to a wonderful holiday season.